is Jeff Rajeck, and I'm a senior trainer here at ClickInsights. Today, we're here to talk to you more about Google Analytics. Now, this is the third video in the series, with the first one being about getting started with Google Analytics and finding your channel report, which is in the acquisition section, and the all pages report in the behavior section. Now, in the second video, we talked to you about goals. How do you know that people have done what you wanted them to do on your site? Now, this one, we're going to talk about how do you actually read the reports that you're going to get in the all pages report and in the channels report. But in order to understand the reports and to draw insights from them so that you can improve what you do in the future, you first of all have to understand how Google Analytics works. Well, the way that Google Analytics records data is through what they call the hit. And what is a hit? Well, a hit is any interaction on your site which causes Google Analytics to record the data. Now, there are essentially three types of hits that you have to be concerned with. The first type is called a page view. And a page view occurs whenever somebody views a page, a web page on your website that has the Google Analytics tracking code. And when somebody does view a page, Google records that page view hit in its analytics database, and you can view that page view in your all pages report. Now, the second type of hit is called an event. An event is any interaction that somebody has on your website that is not a page view. Now, this could be that they, for example, watch a video, or they click some button that doesn't result in a page view. Or even, and this is really important for B2B marketers out there, if somebody downloads a document that won't have the Google Analytics tracking code on it, and so it won't be recorded as a page view. Now, events have to be configured, and that is a bit of an advanced topic. But luckily for most people, events are probably already configured. And so if you go to the events section under behavior, you will then see a list of events that your website is already tracking. Most likely, you will see them. Okay, and then the third type of hit is in the interaction is an e-commerce hit. Now, this is, of course, very important for you if you run an online shopping site. Now, what makes an e-commerce hit interesting is that Google Analytics does not only record the page views that your customers have on your site, but also a little bit of information about the products that they view. So, what products did they see in the category page? What products did they view details on? And what products did they add to cart and hopefully ultimately bought? Now, e-commerce hits, again, they're an advanced topic to configure it. But fortunately, most e-commerce sites, and provided by major providers such as Magento or Shopify, will already have e-commerce hits enabled, and all you have to do is just sort of tick a box saying that you want to use them. So, there are three ways that Google Analytics records data. They either record a page view, an event, or an e-commerce hit. And that's all you need to know in order to get started to review your reports and to get more insights from them. Now you're ready to learn about the most important measurement in Google Analytics called the session, which we'll get to next time. Thanks, and have a great day.